Welcome to Gracie's Wig Journey. Today, I thought I would share with you my very favorite wig manufacturer when it comes to synthetic wigs. And in my next video, I will share with you my favorite wig manufacturer when it comes to human hair. So let's get back to the synthetic wigs. Come with me and let's begin. I believe that the very top manufacturer for lace front, but as well as non-lace front wigs, is Godiva Secret Wigs. It's a mother-daughter team out of California. And the reason I say that is just from my personal experience. Number one, with this long wig, these fibers, after daily wear for over a month, have yet to fizzle or become frizzy. Every single other long wig that I have, after probably about a week to maybe a week and a half of wearing it every day, I have to get into conditioning it and combing it and using a hot steam iron to kind of really soften and bring those synthetic fibers back to the way they were originally. I have yet to do it with this particular company. I am stunned, to be honest with you. So the quality of the wig itself, the synthetic fibers, is just tops. And let me show you the way that it's also made too. And I'll take this off. Now this wig, like I said, does not have a lace front. But you see how beautiful, how it's made here? And it also has this open wefting, and it's stretchable. But this open wefting, I might add, you can see the distance between the openness compared to other less expensive wigs where you'll have the wefting and this crisscross, because they machine stitch the synthetic fibers onto these fabrics. But the openings between the crisscross of these particular little lines is like, could be huge. Whereas with their open wefting, it's very tiny. There's little space between each of the little runways that are going here. And that says a lot about quality of construction. And then of course they have the Velcro at the back of the nape area and the side panels to always tighten, like most wig manufacturers will have these little side panels that you can tighten to make it tighter for you. And then also, the way that they really constructed this to have permatease that actually does not come through the fabric like a lot of times the permatease will be. And what's permatease? Permatease is taking the synthetic fiber and kind of bunching it together and then putting a fabric around it like this. And this gives you volume. And I just find I have yet to have to deal with some of these little fibers that sometimes will get through a less expensive cap, and then you'll have a lot of little fibers that are sticking up. Whereas with theirs, I have yet to have a little fiber do that. So the actual construction is quite extraordinary. And let me show you, this is also their wig. I'll put it on. Always go to the side panels, line it up, go up to the mirror, raise it up, bring that line, because it's not lace front, bring it up right to the line of my own scalp, and then take the brush, and then you can style it. Always with a brush that you get, either from the wig manufacturer, or be sure you use it only on your wigs. But this is this particular style. I'll put the link below as far as the style and the color. But you see this? How easy this is? It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Again, because I'm older, I tend to always like to wear my wigs back. And like with that longer one, I always wear it with a scrunchie. But even with this, I wouldn't even have to worry about anything. I just put it up my ears and I go to the gym or out to go shopping. It just works really well. So I'll put the links below of the 2 different styles, the colors, and the name of this company, plus a wonderful discount code for those of you who are making your very first purchase. But really, they do win the award for synthetic fibers, only because the quality is so superb and the construction of the cap is outstanding. There isn't anyone better that makes wig caps as this particular company, Godiva Secret Wigs. So please subscribe, let me know what you think, and also stay tuned to my next video because I'm going to get into who I feel is the very, very best wig manufacturer when it comes to biological or human hair. Have a great day.